Hello everyone, welcome to Backcoders. We are happy to see you here today. In today's lesson, we will talk about Docker. Docker is a very important technology for modern developers. We will learn what is Docker and why it's used and how it helps in real projects. And this lesson is a simple and beginner friendly, so don't worry if you are new to Docker. Let's start to learn together. Okay, start. So what is Docker? Docker is a tool for running application. Normally application need many things to work. For example, they need the language, libraries and settings. Docker puts all the things together in one place. Because of this, the application works easily. The Docker is a software platform that helps developers create and run and manage applications. Normally, an application needs many things: operating systems, programming language, libraries, and configuration files. Docker packages all the things together so application can run anywhere without problems. Okay. Next. Why do we need Docker? Many developers have the same problem that they say my application works on my computer, but it does not work on another computer. This happens because computers are different. Docker fixes this problem. With Docker, the application works everywhere. Many developers face the same problems like that. This happens because the different OS means the operating system versions, different software versions, and missing libraries. And Docker is essential for modern software development because it packages application and their dependencies into lightweight, isolated containers, ensuring they run consistently across an environment from developers' laptop to production servers. It's solid that it works on my machine. Problem accelerates deployment, improves resource efficiency compared to virtual machines, and simplifies complex application management. Like that. The next slide is a real life example. So let me explain with a very simple example. You make Python application on your laptop. Okay, everything works fine, but you send it to your friend. Your friend runs it, but it does not work. With Docker, you send the container and it works immediately. Imagine you build a Python web application like a version 3.11 and some frameworks and some several libraries. Your friend tries to run it as a Python version 3.8 and the missing libraries and the app crashes. And with Docker, all the requirements are inside the Docker. Your friend runs on one command. Application works immediately. It's helpful like that. What is container? Container is like a small box. Inside this box there is an application. Also inside are all needed files and programs. Each container is separate from others. This makes application safe and stable. A Docker container is a lightweight and standalone and executable software package that bundles an application and everything it needs to run, including the code, runtime, system tools, and libraries. It's a runnable instance of Docker image. Okay, Container and image. What is the difference between? It helps to understand the relationship between a container and image. Docker image, a read-only template or blueprint containing the instruction for creating Docker container. A Docker container, a live runnable instance of Docker image with added writable layer to allow changes during runtime. These changes are isolated to that specific container instance. Okay, next. Docker and virtual machine. What is the difference between virtual machines that have their own operating system like OS, use a lot of disk and memory, start slowly? The Docker containers share host OS kernel, very lightweight, start in second, and use fewer resources. Docker is more efficiency and faster. Like that Docker containers are lighter and they start very fast and use less memory. You can see here what is the difference between Docker and VM virtual machine. Next is basic Docker parts, like important parts. Docker has some basic parts. An image is like a plan or template. A container is running image. A Dockerfile is file with instructions. Docker Hub is website with ready images. These parts help Docker work smoothly. Like that, understanding Docker components, like a Docker daemon, Docker client, Docker images, Docker container, Docker registry, and Docker services. The next conclusion is now let me summarize. Docker helps us run application easily. It removes many problems. Containers are fast and lightweight. Docker is very important for developers. Thank you for attention. We will see next time.